Renu,
Yeah.
please unmute.
Yeah. Good evening, Guruji.
Good evening.
Yeah. My question is about it's related to my career, whether I will do job or business.
Okay, whether you will do job or business, give me a horary number, Renu.
Yeah. It's 125.
125, three-digit number. Correct?
Yeah.
Be blessed. All right, let's see where you're going to earn money from, sir. Sixth house starts in, sixth bhava starts in Pisces, 0016 of Lord is Moon. Moon is in the star of Mirgashira today, in the star owned by Mars. Mars itself is sitting in the 10th bhava. Sir, go join a job, sir. You will certainly succeed. Instead of partnership business, if you can do some consulting business. Are you a professional of some kind, sir?
Yeah. I am professional. Currently, I'm in on-site. Actually, I am software engineer.
But you are employee somewhere, no?
Yeah.
Continue there. You will get recognition, promotion will come for you in that job.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, seventh house of Lord Ketu in the star of Rahu. Where is Rahu connecting to 2611? No, it is only connecting to seventh house, eighth house, 10th house. Please do not encourage yourself to any kind of business ideas today. Continue to focus on your job, retain a job, do a good job of it. You will get recognition and promotion and good salary increase also. Reasonably decent one will come, sir, very soon. A little bit of struggle will be there, but don't worry. Continue in the job. That is where you will succeed. Good luck, sir. Be blessed.
Yeah. Thank you, Guruji.